Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan and I make videos on e-commerce primarily for beginner or intermediate Amazon sellers. If you want to learn more from me, please hit that subscribe button as I upload videos every single week. Now let's waste no more time and let's get into the video. So usually when you list your private label product on Amazon, you need to list it under a product ID, also known as a GTIN, which stands for Global Trade Item Number. The most common GTIN is a UPC barcode, which is what we call it here in Canada or in the US, or in other countries it's called an EAN barcode, or if you're in Japan it's called a JAN. Now this barcode is retrieved from outside of Amazon. And I'm sure we've all seen these barcodes before. You know when you're at the store and the cashier is scanning all the items through? Those are the barcodes I'm talking about. So the official place to get these barcodes from is gs1.org. However, there are barcode resellers out there, but Amazon recommends only using barcodes that were purchased through GS1. So to purchase 1 to 10 barcodes, it's $250 up front, for all 10 to my understanding. And then there's a $50 renewal fee that you must pay each year to continue using the barcodes. And remember, if your product has multiple variations, such as maybe you have a red t-shirt and a blue t-shirt, and then those t-shirts come in different sizes, each one of those different variations would need its own unique barcode. Pause for the plane. But there's actually a way around this, and that's exactly what this video is about today. So through Amazon, you can apply for a GTIN exemption. This allows you to add your private label products to Amazon's catalog without needing a product ID at all. So you can save yourself the hassle from having to purchase the GS1 barcodes and have to pay an annual fee. However, if you are planning to extend your sales into other marketplaces such as Walmart.com or selling in retail, then it might not be a bad idea just to purchase the GS1 barcode now. But maybe you're a new seller, you have a tight budget, you're testing out products, you don't know if you're going to continue long term with a product, so the GTIN exemption could be a good option for you. I took this route when I was first getting started, and that brand is still GTIN exempt to this day, and it's working out fine for me. Okay, so who should and who can apply for exemption? So I'm reading off of Amazon's website and it says, here are some scenarios when you can apply for a GTIN exemption. You want to sell products for which the brand, manufacturer, or publisher does not provide a GTIN. For example, private label products or handmade products. You want to sell products for which you are the manufacturer, brand, or publisher and you do not have barcodes on your products. For example, private label products or handmade products. You want to sell product parts that do not have a GTIN. For example, automotive parts or mobile accessories. You want to sell a bundled pack of more than one product. For example, a pack containing a leather belt and wallet or a pack of 2 shirts. What you need to have ready before applying. Product name and a minimum of 2 and maximum of 9 images showing all sides of your product and the packaging of the product. Brand name entered during application process should be an exact match to brand name available on the product and/or packaging. Images should be real-world pictures of the products and packaging, meaning the product and packaging need to be held in hand or placed on a table while clicking the picture. Branding is permanently affixed on the packaging and/or product. Products should not have GS1 approved barcode available on the product and/or packaging of the product. If a GS1 approved barcode is available, you can make use of same to list product instead of applying for GTIN exemption. Now finally, let's get into the tutorial for applying for a GTIN exemption. So click the link that I have in the description box and it will take you to the Apply for GTIN exemption page. So select the product category you'd like to list your product in. If you have multiple products and need to list in multiple categories, add those here. Next, enter in your brand name. This is case sensitive, so enter in your brand name exactly how it's supposed to be. Or, if you have a generic product and you're not selling under your private label brand, you can list it under generic and you'll be automatically approved for that. Once again, it is case sensitive, so G will be capitalized. You can apply for an exemption for multiple categories and multiple brands at the same time, up to 10. Then click Check Eligibility. So you can see here, like I mentioned, we are automatically approved for generic. Now notice how it says my brand requires brand approval. This would automatically go through if we had Amazon brand registry with this brand, but we do not. So what you would do next is click Request Approval, and it will take you to this Selling Application for Catalog Authorization page. So go ahead and fill out this form, and this is where it will want you to submit additional documents. So it says here that it wants at least one image of your brand's product and or packaging. And then it lists the requirements that it wants here. So go ahead and fill out that form. And then you should expect to receive a response from Amazon in your email inbox within 48 hours. And hopefully you should be approved. How to check the application status. Go up to the Amazon menu, click Catalog, then click Add Products. Scroll down to the bottom, and under GTIN Exemption Status, click Check Your Status here. And you should be able to see it here. I don't have a case open as I'm not actually trying to request exemption for my example brand. And it looks like another way to view it is, again, go back up to the Amazon menu, click Catalog, then click View Selling Applications. And it looks like you should be able to see its status here. So that's everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like as it really supports my channel. And if you want to learn more from me, I upload videos here weekly, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any further questions on the GTIN exemption process, please feel free to comment below, or you can let me know what you found helpful in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!